If we want to know something, we need to conduct a research. A research would not be complete without the help of statistical tools. Statistical knowledge helps a researcher to use the proper methods to collect the data, employ the correct analysis, and effectively present the results. Statistics is a crucial process behind how we make discoveries in science, make decisions based on data, and make predictions. But what is statistics? Statistics is a branch of mathematics that deals with collecting, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting masses of numerical data. Why do we need to study statistics? Statistics is applied in many fields. Here are some of those: education, medicine, business, finance, sports, actuarial science, politics, and government. What makes statistics important in education? Statistics allows educators to understand students' performance, spot trends in students' performance, and compare different teaching methods. For instance, getting the average of the students in the report card, a teacher will know whether the student passed or failed. Another example, this graph shows the performance of the students for the past 3 years. The graph shows that the students have high performance for the school year 2020-2021. Getting the trend of the enrollment of the school for the last 3 years could be another application of statistics that belongs to education. What makes statistics important in medicine? Statistics allows healthcare practitioners to understand risk factors for communities, track and monitor diseases, see the impact of policy changes, and assesses the quality and safety of the healthcare. For example, this graph shows the certainty of people for some of the medical tests, namely DNA test, fingerprint, HIV test, mammography, and expert horoscope. This shows that people are certain with DNA tests. What makes statistics important in business? Statistical research in business enables managers to analyze past performance, predict future business practices, and lead organizations effectively. This is a very simple analysis of income that I showed to my students, showing the daily income of Jake's Sari-Sari store. The graph shows that Jake's highest income was on Saturday. This would help him to decide which day he wouldn't have to close if he will have another matter to do. What makes statistics important in finance? Statistics helps in understanding a country's financial state, measures economic growth, helps analysts determine a company's business income, and it comprises wages or salaries or other payments. Business and finance are related to each other because if there is business, there is money. However, business has a larger scope including policy of an employer towards employee, while finance is just focused on money, such as income and economy. This graph from the PSA or the Philippine Statistics Authority is the economic performance of the Philippines, the gross domestic product in percent. It shows that during the year 2020, the economy of the Philippines lowers down up to almost -20. Maybe that is due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This time, lockdown happened, and the government need to spend so much money for the amelioration program to support the Filipinos. Why is statistics important in sports? Statistics allows sports manager to see how a player perform under different circumstances, to measure and compare different players and teams. This graph, it shows the percentage of women who prefers the different sports in television. In this case, the management can decide which sport are they be going to show on TV. Why is statistics important in actuarial science? By the way, what is actuarial science? Actuarial science is a discipline that assesses financial risk in the insurance and finance fields using mathematical and statistical methods. It deals with probabilities and future events. So why is statistics important in actuarial science? It helps define, analyze, and solve financial scenarios or risk that firms and companies need to manage or avoid. This graph shows the member practice areas in 2020. It shows that general insurance is more practiced than the health insurance. Why is statistics important in politics? During any election season, media channels clamor for the most current and accurate forecast of the expected results. Statisticians develop complex models that consider numerous dynamic factors to deliver the most likely projections. Another thing is to have a survey on which strategy is going to be effective for the coming election. Votes are also consolidated using statistics. For example, the 2016 national election is shown in this graph. It shows that Duterte gained the highest votes and Defensor Santiago gained the lowest. Hence, Duterte became our president from 2016 to 2022. Why is statistics important in government? Statistics is important in government for the purpose of administration, for the formulation of the new policies, and assessing progress. For example, this graph shows the 10 causes of death in 2020. It shows here that the primary cause of death is ischemic heart disease or a heart problem caused by a narrowed heart arteries. This information will help the government decide which disease they have to give attention to, like allotting budget for the facilities to overcome this disease. So, these are the 8 fields in which statistics plays an important role. Maybe there are other fields which make use of statistics, so feel free to explore on your own. If you find this video helpful, then please give me a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to keep updated for my new uploads. Thanks for watching!